There is an urgent matter to discuss.
What is it, Rashid? Tell me, what happened?
Madam, I received news that with a girl, that...
What, Rashid? Tell me, what happened?
Madam, Inspector Tariq Anwar has harassed a girl on the street.
What are you saying, Rashid? Inspector Tariq Anwar did this? Disgusting. Now I will catch him red-handed.
Yes, madam. That inspector has done a very bad thing. Madam, a great injustice has been done to the girl. Doing such things while wearing a police uniform? Shame, shame. Didn't Inspector Tariq Anwar feel even a bit of shame? Madam, Inspector Tariq Anwar did something terrible to that poor girl. Madam, I think you should take very strict action now. You absolutely should. Not just should, Rashid, I will take action. Let me also see how that Inspector Tariq Anwar escapes. Then what will you do, madam? We cannot take any action against that inspector without proof. It is true that we cannot take any action without proof. But I have a plan, or an idea, through which all his misdeeds can be brought to light. You do not worry. I know what I have to do. I am Aisha Siddiqui after all. Let me also see how that inspector escapes from my hands. Nida, come here. Rashid, you may go. I need to discuss something urgent with Nida.
Yes, madam. Please tell me.
Nida, today the two of us will head out for a mission. Whatever I say, you will do exactly the same with me. Today, I am going to do something that I have never done before. Hurry up. We don't have time. We need to reach the market within an hour. Look over there. The police officers are standing ahead. Walk very slowly. Understood? Look over there. Two fairies of their father are walking by. Today is going to be so much fun. Stop. What is the big hurry? Hey, hold on a moment. Where are you going in such a rush? Tell us while you go. What's the matter? Honestly, madam, both of you look very beautiful. Besides, where are you coming from? At this age, you should get married. Looking at you two makes me feel like I am dreaming. What is there in these studies, madam? Get married. Your life will be settled and enjoy the pleasures of life. To be honest, I really like you. You are just saying whatever you want. You are a police officer, and you cannot insult us like this. Don't you know that you are a police inspector? This does not suit you. You are making a mistake. You are doing a great injustice. It is a grave wrongdoing to do this while wearing the uniform of the law. You are playing with the law. You are making a mistake. You are doing a great injustice. You are doing a great injustice. It is a very wrong act to do this in a police uniform. Leave our path and let us go. Oh, along with your beauty, your tongue also runs very fast. But it doesn't matter. I really like both of you. Look, speak within your limits. What nonsense are you talking? Does wearing a uniform mean you can say whatever you want? I will file a complaint against you. What do you think of yourself? Do you think we can't do anything? You are crossing your limit. Look, let us go. Clear our way. Otherwise, I will scream loudly, gather people, and get you suspended. Understood? All right, then call the people. Let me also see who comes. Do you think people will come running to your screams? You are living in a delusion, madam. Only my dominance prevails here. No one will say a word against me here. Understood? Whatever I say here goes. Your speaking or not speaking makes no difference. There is no one to listen. Got it? So don't try to be too smart. Do exactly as I say. You have to come with us. Don't be afraid. We won't do anything to you. We two are not going anywhere. We are going home after finishing our studies. Don't bother us, understood? Get out of our way. You will have to go, madam. You must do what I say, or else you won't even be able to dream of the consequences. What is this indecency? When I say we won't go, it means we won't go. What are you blabbering about? This is against the law, do you understand? You will have to pay a hefty price for this. You are doing a grave injustice to us. I will not spare you. Oh, really? So what will you do? Don't show off too much attitude, understood? Listen to what I'm saying. I'm telling you with love, aren't I? Can't you understand? You little girl, you have so much audacity to raise your hand against me? I will teach you such a lesson right now that you won't forget it for the rest of your life. Just because I haven't said anything for a while, who do you think you are? I'm telling you nicely, come with me. We will not go anywhere. You are crossing the line. You have no idea what is about to happen to you. I will file a complaint against you and will make sure you get suspended. You are making a mockery of the law while wearing the uniform. This is highly shameful. You don't know what I can do to you. Along with you, I will suspend all of these policemen too. I won't spare anyone. Don't talk too much, girl. Your tongue is running too fast. Don't show off your ego. What can you possibly do to me? Tell me, what will you do? If you get slapped twice right now, you won't even be able to walk home. And yet you're arguing back with me to my face? Don't fly too high. I'm an inspector. I can arrest both of you right now and lock you up in the cell. Don't mess with my head, otherwise I will teach you both a lesson that you will remember for a lifetime. Don't argue too much with me, understood? Just because you're an inspector, does that mean you can do whatever you want? What is our crime that you will lock us up? Just try laying a hand on us, then I will show you who I am. I will shake the entire system. We two sisters hold that much power. You think of yourself as a big hero. You are acting like a thug in a police uniform. The uniform is for protecting the public, not for thuggery. Detaining us will cost you dearly. Until now, you haven't faced anyone capable of fighting back. That's why you're having so much fun. Now we two girls will show you what our power is and what we can do. Just try laying a hand on us and see. All right, so who do you two girls think you are? We won't be able to lay a hand on you? Oh, not just laying a hand, you're showing way too much arrogance. It seems you won't listen like this. You need to be taught a lesson. Too much pride between you two, right? I'll show you right now. Come on, pick these two up and throw them in our car. You were running your mouths a lot, weren't you? Now we'll make you understand what we are. Now no one can save you two. You annoyed me a lot earlier. What did you think, that I would just let you two go? I will take separate revenge for how much you've bothered me. Now see what I do. My heart wanted to drag you and beat you right there, but then I thought I want to teach you two a proper lesson. That is why I've brought you both here now, so that I can thoroughly beat the pride and arrogance out of you. Now you two will realize how powerful I am and what all I can do. We are not scared even a bit, neither by your words nor by your threats. No matter how powerful you are, it makes no difference to us. We are not afraid of your threats. Do whatever you want. But remember one thing, you will regret it deeply when you find out the truth later. The ground will slip beneath your feet. You won't be able to believe what you have done. Remember, whatever arbitrary actions you're taking is absolutely wrong. All this is against the law, and the law itself will punish you. You little girl, are you still not afraid? Even after coming here, your tongue is jumping around? Look, don't mess with my head. Keep quiet, understood? It seems you have a lot of arrogance inside you. That won't come out easily, but I have all the ways. I know exactly what I need to do. I will speak. I have the right to speak. You will commit an injustice against me for no fault of mine and I will just stay quiet? I am not just any random girl. I have knowledge about everything. And don't get too happy. It's just a matter of a few moments more. After that, this uniform you have, this uniform will be of no use to you. This uniform will no longer remain on your body. You consider yourself a protector of the law, yet play with the law? All your arrogance will be shattered. You have a lot of pride in being an inspector, right? All this pride will end in an instant. Just wait a little while, then you will see what happens to you. You have done enough, no more. Now, whatever needs to be done, only I will do it. Did you understand, Inspector Sir? This girl, your arrogance still hasn't faded. We police will make you understand what we are. All your pride will vanish. You two think of yourselves as big heroines, don't you? Now I'll also see what you two can do. Now neither of you will get food, nor will you get water. Rubina and Samir, come here. Rubina and Samir, come here. Lock these two girls inside, and yes, keep them both starving. Give them neither water nor food. Yes, sir. You are not doing the right thing. Let us go. This will cost you dearly. You are doing a grave injustice to us. You don't know what we can do to you. You are very proud of your uniform, aren't you? This uniform will be stripped off in just a little while. You think you're a big tiger. Just wait a little longer, then you will see what I do to you. You are taking us both very lightly, right? Doesn't matter. We are not the type to be scared of you two. Scream as much as you want. Right now, you can't do anything. Drop all this nonsense. Now think about what is going to happen to you. Now no one will get you two out of here. You both will stay right here. You had a lot of attitude, didn't you? Now all the arrogance will be gone. Let's see what you do now. Now sit back and relax, because right now there is no one here to support you. This entire police station needs to be cleaned up. They are all a disgrace to the name of the police. They only do thuggery. None of them will be spared now. They have done a lot of injustice to many people, but not anymore. They will definitely get their punishment. Be ready, Inspector Tariq Anwar. Your suspension is ready. I just received news that Inspector Tariq Anwar has arrested IPS Aisha Siddiqui. We need to reach there immediately. Let's go. Everything has gone according to the plan. Now, in just a little while, I will teach this inspector such a lesson that he will remember it for the rest of his life. We have all the evidence. You quickly extract the CCTV camera footage. This is a very big piece of evidence for us against the inspector. Sir, I feel like they are very educated girls and could be some officers. That's why, sir, she was talking in a way as if she is not an ordinary girl. Looking at her demeanor, it seems she is someone else. What are you saying? It's nothing like that. She was just showing off attitude. Girls these days are just like that. Let it be. Sir, it sounds to me like the noise of a government vehicle is coming from outside. I'll go and check.
Inspector Tariq Anwar. Where is our IPS, Madam Aisha Siddiqui? What have you done to her? Where is she? Tell us quickly. We have received news that you arrested our madam. That is why we are here. Where is madam? Tell us. Which madam? What are you saying? There is no IPS here. You have some misunderstanding. Look, don't lie. We know very well that our IPS madam is right here, and that's exactly why we came here. Don't try to fool us. We didn't come here without investigating. You have made a huge mistake by locking our IPS madam in the cell. Where is our IPS madam? Bring her out, or the consequences won't be good. Why did you arrest our IPS madam? Let her go. You will surely be punished for the heinous act you have committed. You haven't made a minor mistake. You've made a colossal mistake. Bring madam out first. Along with our IPS madam, you have also arrested our senior madam, Nida. Does your statement mean that the two girls who were in school uniforms, those two girls are an IPS officer and a sub-inspector? Sorry, sir. Please forgive me. Unknowingly, I have committed a very big mistake. We had no such intention. I didn't know that she was IPS madam and the sub-inspector. Please forgive us. Sir, we admit that we have made a very big mistake. Forgive us, sir, please. Come, let's bring them out. Inspector Tariq Anwar, I am suspending you right now. You have committed a very big crime. From today onwards, you will not wear this uniform. From today, you are suspended. Understood? I admit I made a huge mistake, but please forgive me, madam. Please. I did not know that you were the IPS, madam. This mistake happened unknowingly, madam. Please forgive me. Please do not suspend me. I fold my hands before you. Forgive me, madam. From now on, I won't make such a mistake again. Please give me one chance, madam. Inspector Tariq, the mistake you have made is unpardonable. This is not a small mistake. You have committed a crime. Right now, I have only suspended you. Tomorrow, I will go to court with evidence and throw you inside the jail. That is my promise to you. You will get no forgiveness. If inspectors like you exist in the country will be ruined. It is because of inspectors like you that the entire police force gets a bad name. You will absolutely not get any pardon. Now whatever happens will be in court. Come to the court tomorrow at 10 a.m. The matter will be settled there. I have all the proof of what you did to me on the CCTV camera. Face the music now. Friends, if you like the story, then please like and share. This story is completely fictional. It has been created purely for entertainment and educational purposes. It has no connection to any real incidents or persons. We make these videos only to educate people. We hope these videos of ours will be useful to you. And if you want to get more such videos, please leave a like on this video. And if you don't want to miss any video, make sure to subscribe to our channel Islamic Tales for more such educational stories.